Now let's start with the question number 2. In the question number 2, it's about integration and they're expecting the answer in the simplest format. The integration based theory, what we can go is, whenever we have a function xn, when we integrate this function, we would get x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 value. So probably we'll have a c at the end, but as of now, this is our base rule. Okay, so here in this expression, since let's write it like a y equals, better would be fx equals, because it's a function of x minus 3 squared 2x plus 5. So we can solve this equation. Let's get that x minus 3 whole thing squared. This will be easy simplification. We would know it will be x squared minus 6x plus 9. So this would be multiplied by 2x plus 5. So we know we have to multiply this everything by the 2x and then other terms by 5. So once we get it, so what will happen is we have 2x, this whole bracket, then we will have 5 again the whole bracket. So what would we get it is, this is going to be 2x to the power 3 minus 12x squared plus 18x, then plus 5x squared minus 30x plus 45. So once we have these numbers, we can see for the common terms, we have this term and this term in common, and we have this term and this term in common. So we can simplify the common terms, and what we can go to a simpler format, which is 2x to the power 3 minus 7x squared minus 12x plus 45. So this is our expression. Now let's go to the integration. Now what we will do is we do 2x to the power 3 minus 7x squared minus 12x plus 45 dx. Okay, once we have this, what we can do is, okay, 2 is here, then x to the power 3 will be 4, and this divided by 4, minus 7 is there, times x to the power 3 divided by 3, then negative 12 is there, then x to the power here, if it's not shown, it should be power 1, so this will be 2 divided by 2 plus 45. So we know if it is 45, we will consider it as 45 times x to the power 0. So what it would be is x to the power 1 divided by 1. So with this answer, we will get our integrated answer by simplifying these calculations. X to the power 4 and half minus 7 over 3 x to the power 3 minus 6x squared plus 45x. We know we're going to add the c here, and c will be a constant. So that's what we're going to write. So you can even add the c for this step as well, since that is integration then and there. Yeah, this will be giving our full 5 marks. Thank you.